Welcome back to Tonic. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most cutting-edge portable and prefab structures on the market, from foldable shelters to 3D printed homes. We'll also discuss the advantages of these structures and how they can be used for a variety of purposes. GeoDome X. The GeoDome X is a modern garden dome that promises to transform your outdoor space into a paradise. It is made from durable polycarbonate, which is 200 times stronger than glass. The dome provides protection from snow, rain, and winds up to 100 kilometers per hour. It is also built to last over 10 years and maintain its fresh appearance thanks to the UV-protected polycarbonate panels. The GeoDome X can accommodate up to 12 people and can be set up in about 4 hours with all the necessary assembly tools included. It is easy to keep in good condition with just a periodic watering with a hose and a wipe. The GeoDome X is approximately $1,200. Cmax System. The Cmax System is a foldable shelter that offers the versatility of tents combined with the sturdiness of camping trailers. It can be set up in just 11 minutes without the need for tools and can comfortably house up to 8 people. The Cmax System can adapt to various purposes such as serving as a medical center or a storage space. Additionally, for every 11 shelters sold, the manufacturer donates one to refugee camps across the globe. Rolling Unit. The rolling unit is a versatile trailer that can triple in size. The XL version offers a roomy 30 square meters of space and can be turned into anything from an office to a barber shop. It is insulated and has a Mitsubishi split system for climate control, so you'll stay comfy year-round. Solar panels can be added for worry-free power. The rolling unit can be set up in just 8 minutes and can be started up the traditional way with a button or remotely from your smartphone. Expandable Command Unit on Trailer. The Expandable Command Unit on Trailer is a perfect solution for quick meetings or as a cozy office for small remote teams. It can expand by half its size and comes equipped with a sink, a shower, and a toilet. There's even space for office equipment like printers, and up to 5 people can work comfortably inside. Alaska Defense. Alaska Defense is well known for making complete tent camps that are used by the U.S. military, NATO forces, and international groups. Alaska Defense tents are super adaptable and can be set up as mobile repair bases, hospitals, kitchens, temporary shelters, and even as airplane hangars. These tents come in widths from 2.4 to 46 meters and can be as long as you need, meaning that they can hold from 50 to 5,000 people. They last about 10 years in the field and can be stored for about 20 years. Plus, Alaska Defense has all the gear you need like heaters and power systems. Flexotels. Flexotels are mobile hotels that are popular at concerts and festivals. Up to 20 suites can be transported in just one truck. A standard suite is 7.2 square meters and can comfortably house 3 or 4 people. Inside, you'll find 2 separate rooms with lockable doors, along with beds, mattresses, power outlets, and cabinets. Flexotels can be set up very quickly, up to 150 of them in a single day. ANGARSTROY is a Russian company that manufactures foldable hangars for aircraft and helicopter repairs. These hangars are substantial structures, measuring 40 by 45 by 22 meters, and can provide ample room even for an Un-74 airplane. Setting up this hangar takes some time, a solid 80 hours, but it comes with pneumatic gates that are 37 by 13 meters in size, plus heating, lighting, and a fire alarm system. The manufacturing company is flexible and can build hangars for various purposes and in different configurations. For instance, you could order a gym hanger with customizable shapes and sizes. No foundation is necessary for installation, and an automatic blower with intelligent control ensures the right pressure is maintained. Price starts at $100,000. Continest. Continest is a Hungarian company that manufactures foldable container technology. They've been making good progress with these containers, even showcasing them at the 2019 World Ski Championships. They've also managed to sell these containers in 18 different countries. These containers can be easily moved and unfolded using a forklift. When fully unfolded, the same 10 container takes up to 7.2 square meters of space. It comes with 5 220-volt outlets, LED lighting, plastic doors and windows as standard features. If customers want, they can even add an air conditioner and a heater. For larger events, these containers can be stacked on top of each other to create a mini hotel. Price starts at $5,000. So, there you have it. If you're looking for a way to save time and money, or if you're simply looking for a more sustainable and eco-friendly way to live, work, or play, then a portable or foldable structure may be the perfect solution for you.